Good morning, student. Today we'll be going through exercise 1.3 of page number 14 NCERT. So the first question is, write the following in the decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion it has. So it is all about the terminating and non-terminating, that is a repeating decimal. So earlier I have already informed you, terminating means where the remainder becomes 0, and non-terminating recurring means where the remainder never becomes 0 and there is a repetition in the quotient part. Fine. Now let us see the first question. The first question is 36 by 100. If we divide 36 by 100, we'll get 0.36 and there is no remainder, so it is a terminating decimal. Now if it will divide 4 1 by 8, so the 4 1 by 8 can be written as 33 by 8. Now if we divide 33 by 8, 8 4 ja 32, so the remainder is 1 0, 8 1 ja 8, 2 0, 8 2 ja 16, 4 0, 8 5 ja 40 0. So you see the remainder is 0. So and the question is 4.125. So this is a terminating decimal. Now the next question is 2 by 11. Now we'll divide 2 by 11. So 11 will be 2 cannot be divided by 11, so we'll take 0. So 0, so it is 20. 11 1 is 11, so it is 90. 11 8 is 88. Again you see there is a the 2 comes. Again if you do 11 1 is 11, again comes 90. That means you see the remainder is not becoming 0 and there is repetition in this part. So this is non-terminating and repeating, non-terminating and repeating decimal, or you can also say non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. Now question number 2. The question number 2, it is given that 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857. So what is the meaning of this bar? That means that there is a repetition in this part. Fine. Can you predict the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7? So what will you do? You will divide? No, you will not divide. You know that 1 by 7 equal to this much. Now what will you do? 2 by 7 can be written as 2 by 7 can be written as 2 into 1 by 7. So 2 into 1 by 7 value is already given 0.142857, where 42857 is the repetition. So if you multiply, you will get 0.285714. Now there is a repetition in 85714. So I have given the bar. Similarly, 4 by 7 can be written as 4 into 1 by 7. Fine. So 4 into 1 by 7 value is given. Just multiply and you get the value. Similarly, 6 by 7 can be written as 6 into 1 by 7. 1 by 7 is value given. So 6 into 1 by 7 value. So this is the answer. Now question number 3. Express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integer and Q is not equal to 0. Now the bit number 1 is 0.6 bar. The meaning of bar is that 6 is repeating. So 0.666 dot dot dot. So what I will take? I will take let x equal to this much. So let x equal to 0.666 dot. Now multiplying 10 both sides. That means we'll multiply here also 10, we'll multiply here also 10. So 10 multiplied with 10x equal to 10 into this much. Now 10x equal to, you know, once when the 10 is multiplied, then this point will go to this side. So it will be 6.666. Fine. Now what we will do? This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now we will subtract equation 1 from 2. So 10x equal to this much and x equal to this much. So 10x minus x is 9x. Now 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 6 0, 6 minus 0 is 6. So 9x equal to 6, that equal to 6 equal to 6 by 9, x equal to 6 by 9. So now if you reduce the fraction, it will be 3 2 ja 3 3 ja. So answer is 2 by 3. Now you are getting in the form of P by Q. You see, you have to find in the value P by Q. Now you are getting in the value of P by Q. Fine. Similarly, the next question is x equal to the question is 0.001 and there is a bar on the 001. So what we will do? We take let x equal to this much. Now what is happening? So 0.001. This is the repetition. Again 001. Fine. Now multiplying 1000 both sides. So if I multiply here, x into 1000 become 1000x, and if I multiply 1000 here also, so what will happen? This decimal will go and it will become 1.001. Fine. So what will happen? You see 1000x equal to 1.001. Now this is equation number 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what will happen if you subtract equation 1 from 2? 1000x minus x is 9999x, and 1 minus 1 0, 0 0 0 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So 99x equal to 1, that equal to x equal to 1 by 999. Fine. Now the leftover questions are question number 5, 7 and 9 we will be doing in the next video.